An earthquake occurs when there is a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, causing the ground to shake. This release of energy typically happens because of stress building up along faults, cracks in the Earth's crust. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how an earthquake works. The Earth's crust is divided into large pieces called tectonic plates, which are constantly moving, albeit very slowly. These plates can move towards each other, away from each other, or slide past each other. Faults are fractures in the Earth's crust, where these plates meet or interact. The most famous example is the San Andreas Fault in California. As tectonic plates move, they may get stuck at their edges due to friction. However, the plates continue to move, which causes stress to build up at the fault line. This process can take years, decades, or even centuries. Eventually, the stress becomes too great for the friction to hold the plates together. When this happens, the energy is released suddenly in the form of seismic waves, causing the ground to shake. This release of energy is what we experience as an earthquake. The energy from an earthquake travels through the Earth in the form of seismic waves. There are different types of seismic waves: P waves, primary waves. These are the fastest waves and are the first to be detected by seismographs. They move through the Earth in a compressional manner, like sound waves. At S waves, secondary waves. These waves arrive after the P waves and move the ground up and down or side to side. At the surface waves. These waves travel along the Earth's surface and are usually responsible for most of the damage during an earthquake. The hypocenter, or focus, is the point inside the Earth where the earthquake starts, where the rock begins to break and the seismic waves originate. The epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface directly above the hypocenter. This is usually the location where the earthquake's effects are strongest. After the main earthquake, the Earth's crust may continue to adjust, leading to smaller tremors called aftershocks. These can occur minutes, days, or even weeks after the initial earthquake. Magnitude measures the amount of energy released at the source of the earthquake, commonly reported using the Richter scale or the more modern moment magnitude scale. Intensity measures the strength of shaking produced by the earthquake at different locations and is usually reported using the modified Mercalli intensity scale, MMI. In summary, an earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy due to the movement of tectonic plates. The energy travels through the Earth in the form of seismic waves, causing the ground to shake, sometimes resulting in significant damage depending on the earthquake's magnitude and the affected area. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.